Hey everyone, in today's quick Instagram video, I want to show you how to share someone's story on your own story. So in this case, I'm going to show you how to share this story from a different profile onto my main profile. Now, this only works if the person that created the Instagram story tagged you on that post. Otherwise, it's really against Instagram's terms of service to download that Instagram story post and then re-upload it to your profile. So if they tagged you on that post, this is what happens. If you jump into your messages on your profile, you should see mention you in their story message. So if I click that, right there, it says that this profile mentioned you in their story. Do you want to add it to your own story? So if I press add to story, it's going to put that story right here. And if I actually tap it, I could get a couple of different looks out of it. And now I could press your story and it will post it to my story. This is really the only way is when someone else tags you in their story where you could post it to your own story. Otherwise, you're just taking it without their permission. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for easy to follow tech videos, and I'll see you next time.